Ever wonder how air conditioners keep us cool on hot days? Let's break it down. It all starts with the refrigeration cycle. An air conditioner uses a special fluid called refrigerant. First, the refrigerant evaporates in the evaporator coil, absorbing heat from the indoor air. That's why the air feels cool. Next, the compressor pumps this gas, increasing its pressure and temperature. Think of it as squeezing a sponge to make it wetter. Then, the hot gas moves to the condenser coil outside where it releases heat and turns back into a liquid. Finally, the refrigerant passes through an expansion valve, dropping in pressure and temperature, ready to start the cycle again. And that's how air conditioners keep us cool. Next time you feel that breeze, you'll know the science behind it. Like and subscribe for more cool science.